My name is Ajit Parvate. I am career growth coach and corporate trainer. I work with young graduates, those who want to work in financial services industry and be super productive. Today is Diwali day. I wish you all very happy and prosperous Diwali. Let the light of festival bring brightness and prosperity in our personal as well as professional career. Today, I take the opportunity to talk about the 5 traits of successful sales executive. The first trait is they know their job profile very well. They understand what is the responsibility and duties of their particular sales job. They also possess the qualities required as a sales executive. The first quality for sales executive, that is communication skill. Second one is presentation skill. So these sales executives are really good in communication as well as presentation skill. Now the second trait, they know their core product very well. If they are working in, let's assume, savings account, so they know each and every aspect about saving account. If they are working in current account, they know each and every aspect of current account. If they are working in loans, so they will know each and every aspect of that particular loan, like home loan, loan against property, loan against securities, auto loan, two-wheeler loan, commercial loan and gold loan, etc. Okay, so all these super productive sales executives, they know about their product very well, and by knowing this product, they are in a much better position to help the customer by solving their queries. Okay, whenever these guys are on calls, they will resolve the customer queries there and there itself, so automatically they will gain the confidence of the customer. Generally, this super sales executive, they gain the confidence of customer, and that increases the probability of closing the sales call. Okay, so knowing your product, that is the second trait. Okay, now third point, that these sales executives, they do have really good customer bonding. Okay, so it happens in the financial services industry. After a sales getting closed, generally executive don't pick up the calls of the customer because they know for what reasons these customer are calling. Like if any customer opens a saving account, so post opening the saving account, customer generally do have a queries like they are not receiving statements on a regular basis. They are not getting their emails about their banking services. They are not getting SMS on their mobiles. Their mobile banking is not working. Their net banking password is not working. So these kind of petty queries that these customers have, and these executives don't want to serve the customer queries because that consumes times. But super sales executive as well as successful sales executive, they will pick up a call of the customer, they will provide solution or resolution of all these queries. So automatically customer will have a faith on these people only. And please remember this, whenever any customer opens account with the bank, that is for long-term duration, okay, for a lifelong relationship. So during this period, at different intervals, customer will have a different requirement of the different products of the bank. So whenever customer is in need of any product, that point of time, he will give a call to only those executives, those who are picking up their calls and providing solution to them. And since this successful sales executive, they do have a habit of creating a strong relationship with the customer, so automatically they tend to get more calls from the customer about different products, and this increases their again probability of increasing their productivity. So this is trait number 3. Now trait number 4, this super productive sales executive, they will act as a consultant to the customer and not as sales executive. What does it mean? It means they will provide a good solution or good suggestion to the customer about the product. Sir, this product generally suits you very well, okay, your requirement. So this product fulfills your requirement completely in totality, and customers generally do have a perception that this guy is actually working in my benefit. Okay, सो जनरली जब आप कोई कॉल पे जाते हो तो जब कस्टमर आपको ये बोलता है अरे भाई ये तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का बंदा नहीं, ये तो मेरा बंदा है क्योंकि ये मेरे भले की सोचता है, whenever customer is having that kind of perception and you are creating that kind of perception, it means you have already closed the deal. Okay, it means whenever there is a requirement, so customer is going to call you only. Okay, and this super successful sales executive, they created this kind of image in the mind of customer and they are acting as a consultant and not as a sales executive. This was point number 4. Now point number 5, these executives always remains in positive approach. Okay, they will always talk positive about their organization, about their job profile, about their boss, about their colleagues and about entire environment. Okay, whenever any roadblock or any hindrance comes in their way, they will find some or the other way to get rid of that and achieve their productivity. And this positive approach only helps them to increase their productivity. So these are the 5 traits which I observed common in all sales executive amongst all industry. Right? Thank you for watching this video. Okay, do like, comment and share this video. Right now signing off. We'll meet again in next video. Thank you very much.